Asphalt Site Services, and I'm Randy DeVries. And 35 years ago in March, in 1982, it all began. And like so many of the other stories you hear, it started in the basement, and then it went to our first little office and warehouse, and now you find us here today with maybe 35 employees and all the family all grown up, and me all grown up. And with lots of customers that have been friends now for 35 years and 30 years and 25 years. And so we're having this open house. We'd like to say thanks to everybody that was part and parcel to this. Employees, vendors, suppliers, just customers and friends. Every one of them has contributed in their way to the success of the corporation. We appreciate it very much. We have been blessed.